If you're looking for a share trading short course in Australia, you've probably noticed something. Everyone promising you'll get rich by the weekend. 2-day seminars, secret systems, anyone can do it. Now, I've been in this industry for over 30 years, and I'll be straight with you. That's exactly how people lose money. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a smarter first step. One where you prove the strategies work before you ever put a single dollar at risk. No hype, no guesswork. Let's go. A quick bit about why this matters. I'm Dale Gillham. I co-founded Wealth Within back in 2002, and I'm the chief analyst here. Here's the part that should matter most to you. Our education is trusted and recommended by the ASX's former head of education. We've been delivering high quality education for over 24 years, and we're rated 4.9 out of 5 stars from more than 745 reviews. That's not marketing. That's 2 decades of real students getting real results. And it's the standard you should hold any course to before you hand over your money. Now let's talk about what you're comparing right now, because most share trading courses fall into 3 traps. 1, they sell speed. Learn to trade in 2 days. You can't. And rushing is the fastest way to lose capital. 2, they push the riskiest products at beginners. High leverage Forex and CFDs. That's not building wealth, that's gambling. And if you don't like gambling with your money, that's the wrong place to start. 3, there's no proof and no accountability. No track record, no way to test whether the strategies actually work before you're live with real money. The last one is the big one, because the right course flips it completely. Here's what makes the short course in share trading different. It's competency based. That means you don't just watch videos and hope. You prove the strategies work before you put your money at risk. You build the evidence yourself. That's how you remove the guesswork and the fear. It's self-contained, but it's also the genuine first 3 modules of our nationally recognised diploma. So nothing is dumbed down. You're learning the real thing from the very beginning, and it's designed and taught by investment professionals with over 80 years of combined experience in both bull and bear markets. Every strategy has been tested and refined over years. This isn't theory from someone who's never traded. It's proven technique in a structure that's built to make sure you actually succeed. So what's included? There are 3 focused modules. Module 1, analyze markets and financial information. You'll learn how the stock market actually works and the 2 methods that professionals rely on, fundamental and technical analysis. Module 2, analyze market trends. This is critical. You'll learn to read price and volume, interpret the psychology of the market, and identify the direction of any market on any time frame. Module 3, trade market trends. Now you put it together. Proven entry and exit techniques, how to combine your tools to reduce risk and increase profit, and how to measure your own profitability. By the end, you'll know how to trade in both bull and bear markets over the short, medium and long term with money management rules that protect your capital. The goal is simple. Trade with more certainty and more sophistication than over 95% of all traders. 2 quick questions everyone asks. How long does it take? It's flexible study with full support, up to 28 weeks, and you can finish faster if you want. Enrollments are open every Monday, so you can start when you're ready. Is it for me? Whether you're brand new, already trading but still struggling, managing your own super fund, or you want trading income, this is built for you. And if you're a professional, completing each module earns you CPD points with the FAAA and CPA Australia too. So here's your next step, and it's a simple one. Just download the course handbook. It's free. It lays out the full course, exactly what you'll learn, the fees, and the interest-free payment options. We even often enroll now, pay later, interest-free. Read it, compare it to whatever else you're considering, and ask yourself the 3 questions I gave you. Is the educator proven? Can you test the strategies before you risk real money? And is the qualification genuine? This short course answers yes to all 3. The link to the handbook is in the description below, or head to wealthwithin.com.au. The share market can genuinely change your financial future, but only if you start the right way with people who've actually done it and who are accountable to you. Don't gamble, don't rush. Prove it works first, then trade with confidence. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's tired of the gimmicks too. I'm Dale Gillum, start smart, and the results will follow.